Honey, I'm really not gonna be good at this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
You want me to leave the light on in the hallway for you?
It's fine.
All right. I'm going to bed, honey. Good night. I love you. Yeah, it's fine. I don't care. It's fine. I don't want to work here anyway. You want me to talk? Yeah, I'll talk. You don't want me to talk. I got dirt on all of y'all. I'll start myself. My wife left me a year and a half ago. There, laugh it up. I slept in my car 3 weeks. Jerry saw it. Isn't that right, Jerry?
Yeah, I brought you breakfast.
Thank you so much for doing that, Jerry. Haven't been a lot back then. You're drunk. I'm not drunk. I'm angry. I realize that. I'll calm down. No, calm down. I lost my daughter today. For what? So I could impress you I gave up my family?
And the rest of it.
What, you want my pants too? Fine. You can keep them. I don't care. You can't hurt me. You think you're hurting me? I found out she lost her boyfriend in Vietnam. I never asked her about it. What? I never made the time. I was selfish. This is what you get!
Okay. Okay.